Hi everyone, my name is Marissa Grasso, and here's a little glimpse into my life. On this first slide, I added a picture of my Funds of Knowledge worksheet after I filled it out. My home language is English, I'm Catholic, and my family is everything to me. My race is white, my nationality is American, and my ethnicity is Italian and Irish. I feel like when I was young, I began to notice race, but never thought anything of it until I got older and we learned more about race. As for culture, ethnicity, and nationality, I started to learn about these in the third grade when we had a heritage fair at my school. As for my family, everyone in my family is very family-oriented and religious. As you can see from my Funds of Knowledge worksheet, my family likes to spend a lot of time outdoors, whether it be hiking, going to the beach, going on the boat, fishing, camping, and going to outdoor sporting events. Everyone in my family likes to spend time outdoors, so this is another way that we are all able to spend more quality time together. While we are at home, we spend time together by sitting down to eat dinner, watching our favorite show, The Office, and watching football games. One of our family traditions is going up to Pennsylvania to my grandparents' house every year for Christmas. When we go there, we typically stay for a week and spend time with all of our relatives, being that my dad, mom, brother, and I are the only ones that do not live in Pennsylvania. While we are there, we often go skiing, walk on the trails in the area, visit friends, and take a day trip to Philly. Our our Christmas traditions consist of going to church on Christmas Eve and then coming back to my grandparents' house to have a big dinner and make cookies. We also buy Italian cookies every year from a local bakery near my grandparents' house to incorporate our heritage. On Christmas Day, all of my aunts, uncles, and cousins come over to our grandparents' house to exchange gifts, make dinner together, and spend some quality time together. Looking back on my life so far, I feel as though there are a lot of different moments that set me on the path I chose for my future. Growing up, I spent a lot of extra time in school with my dad, aunt, grandfather, and grandmother, all being that they're teachers. From a young age, I knew I wanted to be a teacher, but that became even stronger when my little brother started school and found out that he had learning disabilities. I saw how his teachers worked so hard to help him and give him all of the resources he needed to be successful. I knew that I wanted to be able to help someone one day like they helped my little brother. Later in life, when I got to high school, I met two amazing boys that happened to have Down syndrome. One of these boys became like a little brother to me, and while the other became a great friend. These two taught me so many things, especially about how much they loved to learn and how much they loved their teachers. This is when I knew I wanted to teach children with special needs and have a student eventually talk about me like my friends had always talked about their teachers. All of my funds of knowledge and family traditions have made me into the person that I am today. I am so grateful to have a great support system that has shown me the importance of family, having family traditions, and being a great teacher. Thank you all for listening to my story.